Struggling with hair thinning or hair loss? Discover the latest breakthrough, Exosome Hair Therapy. Exosomes are powerful messengers between cells. Packed with growth factors, proteins, and regenerative molecules, stimulates dormant hair follicles and promotes regrowth. A simple, non-surgical procedure with no downtime. The process starts by cleansing the scalp, followed by microneedling to create microchannels, allowing exosomes to reach deep into the hair follicles. Exosomes activate and strengthen weak follicles. Visible improvements in just a few months. Exosome Hair Therapy increases hair density, reduces shedding, and enhances hair quality. Ideal for both men and women experiencing hair loss. Perfect for early and advanced hair thinning. Expert care with advanced exosome technology. Personalized treatment plans for your hair restoration journey. Ready for thicker, healthier hair? Book your complimentary consultation today and visit drjantiagingclinic.com.